In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can delete your Snapchat Bitmoji. So this is very straightforward and simple, so let's just get straight into it. I'm going to launch up Snapchat, and they recently did an update of the whole user interface of Snapchat, or the profile page at least. So what you need to do once you're loaded up into Snapchat is tap your Bitmoji icon at the top left hand corner. Then you want to tap on the settings gear cog at the top right hand corner. Once you're on the settings page, you need to find the option that says Bitmoji. So it's right over there underneath notifications. Tap on Bitmoji and it will show you what your current Bitmoji is. And it has options there: change outfit, edit my Bitmoji, choose a selfie. But the option that you want to select is the unlink my Bitmoji that's in red there at the bottom. So tap on unlink my Bitmoji. It's going to say, are you sure you want to unlink your Bitmoji? If you created a Bitmoji through Snapchat, it will be deleted. So just keep that in mind. You'll have to recreate your Bitmoji again if you want it at a later date. So I'm going to tap on unlink, and now it takes me to the create Bitmoji. If I go to the Bitmoji option in settings, it takes me to the create Bitmoji. I can go back and you can see I have no Bitmoji available on my profile. So that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.